I just bought another ZELOS, and I can't wait to unbox this and give my first impressions. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short, and guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the unboxing, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm keeping with that ZELOS theme and wearing my Gen 1 Swordfish with that bronze case and that beautiful meteorite dial. Very rarely have I seen a watch, and upon the very first moments of viewing it, I stopped what I'm doing to click buy, buy, buy in a frenzy, hoping to snag one before it inevitably sells out. This is what happened to me when I purchased this watch from ZELOS. And shout out to Random Rob who posted an unboxing of this watch, guys. This is the ZELOS Comet 39mm, specifically the gold carbon dial variant. And I watched just like the first moments of Random Rob's video. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. I ran over to their website, and luckily there were a few left of this variant. It is sold out since, but you can still get this in the Tuxedo two-tone dial and the NASA variant. Unfortunately, the salmon dial, the aventurine dial, and this one, the carbon forged, they're all sold out. But I'm looking forward to unboxing this, guys. This is going to be a true first impressions. I haven't as much as peeked into this box, so this is going to be a good time. All right, unboxing time. Here we go. Okay, so now I have another ZELOS. You guys saw it on my wrist earlier. And that's a older ZELOS, and that came in like a wood box. So this is my first ZELOS in this metal box. First impressions are good. I like the looks of it. Very fancy. And let's see what we have here, guys, for a little unboxing action. Let's pop this open. Wow, that's a satisfying... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This just pops off? Is it supposed to do that? No, look at that, guys. Wow, that sucks. Maybe that happened in shipping, huh? That busted. Jeez, sheesh. What a way to start. Oh no, hopefully my watch is okay. My box is all busted. I bet I can fix that, but jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we got here, guys? So we have, oh, this nice ZELOS warranty card. Yep, that's very fast. I think that's the same one they've always been using. Pretty sure my other ZELOS card looks like that. I'll have to pull out that old box and see. But let's see, what do we got here? Serial number, date, and it's signed, so that's good. And this box is pretty cool. It's got multiple slots, so I can put my other ZELOS in here, and look, I have room for one more. Although, if I can't fix the box, I'm not going to do that. Maybe I'll contact ZELOS. I might have to, huh? Maybe they'll send out another box, because, this watch was pretty spendy, guys. That's, this watch, I saw it, and I'm like, wow, that looks like a true Goldilocks watch. The size, the dimensions, hand wind, Salida movement, beautiful dial. So I love everything about it. But I had to pay up for this, guys. This was like $569, which, it's not chump change. It's a lot of money for a ZELOS. But here we go, unboxing time. And there it is. Look at that forged carbon dial. So it's got like flakes of bronze in there to give it that beautiful like gold, almost like veins of gold and granite kind of look to it. And I love it. It's got those applied indices there, the Arabic numeral indices, loom, that railroad track around the outer edge. Wow, what a looker. It's got the skeleton handset with the black PVD coating, the applied ZELOS logo there at the 12 o'clock, a really nicely proportioned date window there at the 6 o'clock, beautifully proportioned crown with nice grip to it. But let's get some plastic off of this bad boy, and then we'll be able to get a closer look at that beautiful dial. Gosh, I've been looking forward to this for a while. So let's get this saran wrap off there, maybe a little ASMR. Wonderful. There's that Salida hand wind movement. And it would have been nice if they did a little more detail work and signed it right there. but it's a, it's a handsome looking movement. So I'm not going to ding it too much, although there is room for improvement there. It is nice having that display case back. Sapphire window. Look at the proportions of this beautiful watch. Look at that dial. Wow. Hopefully the camera does it justice, because this might be one of my favorite dials that I have now. This is so nice. I can't wait to wear this and give it some good wrist time. And then we got the Horween leather strap, and it's got that stitching there. Very nice. A contrast stitching. Signed buckle with the tang. And then what do we got there? Yep, Horween leather. Rest in peace to whatever horse gave its life for this. Hopefully the horse was already dead, huh? And yeah, wow, very nice. I love it, guys. So this is not going to be the full review. I'm not going to go into every spec, every nook and cranny of this watch. I'm not going to do the loom shots and all that. That's going to come. I need to wear this watch. I need to put this watch on my wrist and wear it for a good, at least a week or two, and maybe even a little longer, to get my true impressions of this watch so that I can give you guys a proper review. But look at the finishing on this. Boy, that finishing looks really nice. There's actually a mix of, looks like a vertical brushing there on the case, but then there's a high polish edge, but then it leads into another area around the bezel of some nice brushing as well. And is that horizontal brushing? Yeah, so it's got the vertical brushing, the horizontal brushing, and the high polished edge. Very nice. I like that finishing. And, I bet each dial is a little bit different, because just the nature of the process that goes through to make these dials. I feel like I got a winner. Look how nice that, the kind of the veins and of almost like a marbled effect. Boy, that really shimmers. That's going to look good in the sunlight. So, okay, first impressions, guys. Very happy with my purchase. I love 39mm watches. It's kind of my favorite dimension. I love hand wind movements. I love the fact that it's not too thick, and that dial is exceptional. So I definitely look forward to giving this some wrist time and doing a full review at a later date. All right, guys, that's my unboxing and first impressions of the ZELOS Comet 39mm. Stay tuned for the full review coming to the channel soon. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can count on that. It's like clockwork. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures on Instagram at Cuckoo for Watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to watch this video of me sharing my picks for the top 10 insanely cool and badass watches for gamers. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.